Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money between your BMO accounts. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have multiple BMO accounts linked, and this will help you to move funds quickly and manage your accounts efficiently. So again, you will log into your BMO, and after that, you will go to the transfer section, and then you will click between my accounts. And after that, you will select the source account and destination account, and then you will enter the amount that you would want to transfer. And finally, you will review the transfer details, and then you will click submit, and then you will receive confirmation once the transfer is complete. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.